Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.